Today I'll be unboxing the Disney Loungefly Peter Pan Map Mystery Pins. These were released in January of 2024 and are available at Hot Topic for $9.90 per box, and there is one pin in each box. So this is a 6-pin collection and it is a puzzle pin set. So 5 of the pieces go together to form the map of Neverland, and each of those pieces has some different characters in them. And then there's a 6th piece, which is the compass part of the map, so it's a little bit separate, and that says Neverland and has Tinkerbell on it. So 6 pins total, but 5 of them form the map. So let's open them up and see what we get. So I have 8 boxes here to open up, which is 8 pins total. And I, of course, would like to complete the collection because who wants an incomplete puzzle, or in this case, an incomplete map? So it would be good to complete the map of 5 pins, and it would also be cool to get that 6th pin too, because that one just stands on its own. So let's see. I have a couple of boxes here that got kind of crushed. So let's see what we get in here. 8 tries to complete a map. Yeah. We'll see. All right, first pin it's a map piece, and it is, which way does this go? This has Peter Pan on it. So this, I believe, is the middle, kind of top middle of the map. And does it have, oh, it's got like a little stained glass element to it. So the island is on the map, but the water part of the map is see-through. So maybe some of the other pieces will have more, but this is just a little top section that's kind of see-through. Nice. So we got the middle of Neverland. Let's see what we get with pin 2. In this one, we have, it's different. It is another map piece. This one has Michael and John on it. So this is on the left side of the map, and this one has a lot more water. So you can see right through there. Very noticeable when you look on the back. You can see all the parts that are see-through. Very cool. I like the fact that some of these mystery pins are getting see-through elements. Usually you don't get that on these smaller pins, but a lot of Loungefly ones have had that recently, so that's pretty cool. All right, pin 3, it is another map piece, and oh, it's a duplicate map piece. So this is the Peter Pan one. So this is another center piece. So that means we can only get one more double. Okay, no more center of the map. No more Peter Pans. Okay, pin 4 is, it's kind of a point. So this looks different. This is the piece with the mermaids. So this is the bottom right of the map. This one, of course, has a lot of water in it, so you can see through the pin quite a bit on this one. That. All right, so we have 3 pieces of our map, 2 more pieces of the map to go. And this one is, where is this? Ooh, that's the pirate ship. Nice, this is the bottom left of the map. So we have the Jolly Roger and Tick-Tock Croc on there. And this one has a lot of water on it too, so a lot of see-through elements there. Nice. Okay, I'm gonna have to put these together. At least I have a few pieces here that go together. So we are only missing one piece of the map, which is the one with Wendy. So we have 3 tries to get that last map piece. Then we can explore Neverland. Okay, and this one is, it is another Michael and John. So this is another left side of the map. So now we can't have any more duplicates. If we want to complete the collection, we could still have one more duplicate if we want to just complete the map part. All right. So this pin is, oh, it's another Peter Pan piece. So we have another center of the map. I wonder if the Neverland piece with Tinkerbell is the chase, because they don't say which one's the chase pin anymore. So I bet you that's probably a chase pin, which makes it harder to get. All right, last pin here. So we are hoping for either the chase pin or Wendy. Let's see what we get. Are we going to complete the map? Can we explore Neverland? We cannot, because we got another Peter Pan centerpiece of the map. So we can explore some of Neverland. We just can't quite get to that, the northeast side of the map. So we got 4 out of the 6 in this collection. So not horrible. Just one more map piece to go and then the compass part. So pretty cool. That was the Disney Loungefly Peter Pan Map Mystery Pins. Let me know down in the comments if you collect puzzle pin sets. I know I have always stayed clear of them because I don't like the added pressure to complete the puzzle. But I will admit that they've been getting very creative lately with puzzle pin sets where they form some type of object. So all the pins go together and form like a map, or the Mulan one formed the sword, and there's a new Sleeping Beauty one that has Sleeping Beauty character pieces that go together and form Maleficent Dragon, which is awesome. So it's not just interlocking squares anymore. So that does get me more interested in completing a puzzle pin set. This, when completed, would look great on a Peter Pan board, but it doesn't change the fact that I'm not going to put it on my Peter Pan board incomplete like that. So I might put it on a little sideboard down here just so I know which piece to complete. And then once I complete it, then it'll go with my Peter Pan pin. So there's that little added pressure to complete it, but I do like the way this one looks, so I'll try to find that extra piece. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.